To fix an increased interest rate on your credit card, it is essential to understand why the rate went up in the first place. Credit card companies can raise your interest rate due to various reasons, including late payments, high credit utilization, changes in credit score, or the expiration of promotional rates. First, review your credit card agreement to see if your issuer has the right to increase your interest rate. Check your credit report to ensure there are no errors that may have caused the rate increase. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. Next, contact your credit card issuer to ask why your interest rate was increased. Be honest and open about your situation, and request that they lower your rate. If you have been a good customer with a history of on-time payments, the issuer may be willing to work with you. To prevent future interest rate increases, make all your payments on time. Keep your credit utilization ratio low, and monitor your credit report regularly. Consider transferring your balance to a lower interest credit card or consolidating your debt into a personal loan with a lower interest rate. Additionally, you can try negotiating with your credit card issuer to see if they can offer you a better deal. If not, you may want to consider shopping around for a new credit card with a lower interest rate. Remember, high interest rates can lead to a significant increase in the amount you owe over time. So it is crucial to take action as soon as possible. By understanding the reasons behind the interest rate increase and taking proactive steps to manage your credit, you can reduce your interest rate and save money on your credit card debt. It is also important to note that the Credit Card Accountability Responsibility and Disclosure Act of 2009 provides certain protections for consumers, including requiring credit card companies to give 45 days notice before increasing interest rates. Overall, taking control of your credit and being proactive can help you avoid increased interest rates and save money in the long run. By following these steps and best practices, you can better manage your credit card debt and maintain a healthy financial situation.